All right, I'm going to continue on her face. I've made me a little jig to cut the face off and put it onto this piece of wood with a couple pegs in it so it'll mount right there, and I can work on it from any angle that I have to. And I've got the photograph of the lady up here above it to work from it. It's a little thing I came up with today. All right, I'm going to try to cut the head off, or the face off, with some wire wrapped around it. Hope this works. There we go. That worked just perfectly. All right, I've got it mounted on the board. Now I can work at it from any angle I want to. I've got a Lazy Susan attachment on the board here, and I got this at a local hardware store. This is my former wife and my grandson and her grandson. My daughter's son, Vincent, and they're here visiting for a couple minutes. They're getting ready to go to Yellowstone Park, and then where else are you going?
Well, we're going to go to Virginia City, and
Oh yeah,
Nevada City, and
might go gold panning up there
yeah,
too.
and Lewis and Clark Caverns. And
You're gonna have to do a lot today.
Yeah, and I can't believe how we're staying at Island Park. That place has changed.
Yeah.
So much. My God, it's been what, 40 years since I've been up here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah, we used to come up here to Yellowstone and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yep.
But anyway, it's good to see you, Vincent.
Yeah, it is.
Turned into a good-looking young man.
Thank you.
And thank God you didn't get my genes.
I don't know who he's got. When he was little, he looked like Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he kind of looks like Mike now.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
I don't know. You could say so.
Yeah, some of your actions I've seen.
I like your camera. What kind of camera is that?
It's a EOS Rebel T7. My grandma got it for me for my birthday. I'm kind of a photographer as well, so.
Yeah, I was a photographer in the Navy.
Yeah, like I'll get in kind of weird places to take photos and stuff. So I guess I just do it just to kind of build a portfolio around it. One day when I code my own website or whatever. But yeah, it's a pretty nice camera.
Vincent's the one with the brains in the family.
Yeah.
And he'll probably be really successful compared to.
So.
Yeah, me too. All right, everybody, I'm going to get back to sculpting, but I just wanted to introduce you to my former wife, Rhonda, and my grandson, Vincent. All right, I can see already that I got a problem. This eye is a little bit higher than that eye. So I'm going to have to lower it down a little bit. There we go. That's better. Now, this is the first time I've worked on faces separately from the figures that I've been working on, but this is the first time I've set up this kind of a jig. So we'll see if this works out. She's got some stress wrinkles in her eyebrow. You can barely see them in the photograph because the photograph didn't get, well, I'm sure the original photograph has a lot more detail. It's just the reproduction of the photograph isn't the greatest. The eye is just too low. I've got to raise it up. Trying to do some teeth inside of her mouth, but I don't know if I want to do that. Let's try it. Doing teeth is always a iffy thing. All right, I'm going to put her face back on. I want to see what it looks like. Well, I'm not sure I like it. I'll have to continue this tomorrow because of my visit with my grandson and former wife. Had a wonderful visit with him. I'll continue this tomorrow. I'm not completely happy with it right now. I'll see how I feel about it tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a great night. Sorry it's not much of a video. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.